Welcome to Ogo Oluwa community in Oyo. This is Atiba. Ogo Oluwa is in Sabo. This road is currently impassable for vehicles. There's a portion that is ahead that is not motorable. And as much as it is, there is urgent need for the government to actually act on this because this community here is, in fact, if not for some adjoining roads or whatever, one can say that this community is will be paying. Will continue. In fact, the fact is they'll continue to pay more. We can see the deplorable state of this road. There's a portion ahead that is absolutely in a great state of disrepair. Oyo State government, Atiba. This is a clarion call. Ẹ wá bá a tún ọ̀nà wa ṣe. Ọ̀yọ́ Aláàfin la wà yìí. Ogo Oluwa community. We all can see the deplorable state of this road. If not for motorbikes, this portion is a place where once you drive your car or your vehicle here, you can be sure of one thing: the mechanics, and you have to spend so much money. This is not a good thing. This is Oyo, but as told, roads are in serious state of disrepair. Oyo State government. Where are you, Engineer Oluwaseyi from Makinde? We need you to do something about this road. After all, who are we going to call on to? If the local government allocations are given to them, we know they will be able to do much more or possibly get this. In the absence of all that,